I'm Greg Zanis, inventor of DreamCar123.com. I'd like to talk to you today about the construction worker of the future. You'll be the construction worker of the future when you're inside of this titanium man that we're planning to build. What the man is built out of is titanium balls that all have hydraulics in them. And when you move your arm, there'll be sensors inside of the man that will move the arm in the direction that you move your arm, and the same with your feet. So it'll mimic your movements without a whole bunch of expensive computers and robotics. Now you'll be in a totally enclosed environment. And I'd like to show you this man here. If you take a look here, you'll see the man, but you'll notice that you can see right through him. These won't be in that direction, of course. These are just to show you how you'll be able to fit inside of him. And here you see the arm stretched out. And what you see here is Ron Dubrock. He's one of the guys that helped me build this prototype model. And you'll also see the feet here on this one are way larger than normal feet, so you won't lose your balance, and the feet will constantly keep you moving forward and you won't be tipping over. If you take a look here, you'll see that this thing will never corrode, and it's made out of titanium, and it's very, very lightweight. If you take a look here, it's in the sunshine and it's so bright that it's even hard to look at. Here's the exact same photo that we blew it up. And take a look how huge the chest cavity is here, and how at the end of the hand here are all the fingers. Your hand will actually be inside of that ball. It won't be in those fingers at all, but those fingers will be able to just grip anything. Now, one of the main purposes of building this man is so you can pick up 300 and 400 pounds, not just 100, 150, or 200 pounds. We want you to be able to pick up 4 or 5 times what a normal man would pick up. And this will be done by using hydraulics that will be hidden inside the slots of the balls. And what we'll offer you is, later on when we get to another planet, we'll be able to be the construction worker of the future. You'll be able to do 4 or 5 times the work. And of course, this is unbelievable that a man will be able to build something so strong and so futuristic. I'd like to point out one more feature of the man himself. And if you take a look here, you see a complete ball around his head. You won't actually have a window. There'll be some cameras inside of there. So we'll be able to take any type of pressure. Whether we're on a hostile planet or we're down deep in the ocean, we'll be able to take a lot more pressure, and there'll be seals inside of every one of those balls there that will help keep the pressure constant inside. Also, the suit will be air conditioned and heated, so it'll be hermetically sealed, and if it's real hot outside or if you're on a hostile planet, you'll be able to air condition it. And if it's real cold outside, no matter what the temperature is, for example, if you're in deep space, you'll be able to heat the suit. It's not like a conventional space suit that you can see the occupant. If it's real sunny outside, you won't have to worry about you getting blinded. Once you leave the Earth's atmosphere, the sun is much, much brighter. You'll never actually be looking into the environment, but you'll be looking through a lens. It'll also have a hearing device on each of the skull plates, so you'll be able to hear what's going on outside, and it'll have a speaker, so you'll be able to talk, but the voice won't be coming from your mouth. It'll be coming from a belly plate. It'll be able to amplify that, and if somebody's 300 or 400 feet away, you can turn up the speaker and try to yell at them, and of course it'll have a radio built into it, and a few more options to keep life comfortable for you that we really don't want to discuss right now. I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. And what I'm trying to say is you'll be able to be in the suit for days and days at a time. You'll have water built in. You'll be able to take a drink automatically in the suit. And it's a complete living environment that you could possibly be in the suit for 2 or 3 days and all your needs will be met. And I'm Greg Zanis, inventor of DreamCar123.com, and I'd also like to mention that these photos will be up on the web page under photos, so you'll be able to study the suit and take a look at it and think about it, on your own. And I'm Greg Zanis again. Thank you very much.